Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm, and the fire is slow.
Hello buddy, one more year loaded with sweet recollection and careful time has passed. Every end marks a new beginning. Keep your sprites and determination and shake, and you shall always walk the glory road. Hope that this year will make up for everything we were deprived of in 2020 year, and that it will be way better than the previous one. I wish you a happy new year.